In today's video, we are going to be creating box and whisker plots, also known as box plots. Now, when given data, okay, which in this case, the data represents the number of desks on each floor of Texter Corporate, we take our data and you want to make sure that the data is in order. In order from least to greatest. Okay, so our data happens to be in order from least to greatest with our minimum value. So we have our minimum value of 54 and our maximum value of 76. So that is the maximum number of desks and 54 is the minimum number of desks. Now, in order to create a box and whisker plot, we need to find that median. Okay, remember our median value, okay, is the middle number, because remember that a box and whisker plot basically gives us more of a visual representation of the concentration of data, where most of our data falls in. So if you notice, here are 3 examples of what this box and whisker plot of this data could be. Now it tells us that here in letter A that the concentration of data, that more of our numbers are in between 67 and 72. In letter B, between 65 and 73. And for letter C, between 67 and 72. So we want to see which box and whisker plot our concentration of data would be at. So in order to find our median, we are given here 11 values, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we want to find that middle number, which happens to be at half of 11 is 5.5. So after 5 values, the 6th value here would be our median. Now we want to find our quartiles. So in order to find our quartile, which would mean our first starting value of our concentration of data, you want to find, so for our quartiles, you want to find the median or the middle value, left and right of our median, of our true median of our complete data. So to the left, let's change some colors here. To the left of our median, we have 5 values. So our quartile, our first quartile, quartile 1, is going to be at 65. To the right of our median, our quartile 3 would be 73. So according to our data, our minimum value, okay, would be placed at 54. And if we notice that all 3 of these are at 54, our first quartile is at 65. So our only data value here, our only box and whisker plot that's at 65 is over here. So we would have a dot there. Our third quartile is at 73, which we notice is right here. And our last quartile, our maximum value is 76. With our median, you always want to place the median value, okay, there, and you want to place a straight vertical line at your median and create your box around the quartile 1 and quartile 3 and your median. And then you want to extend whiskers. That's where we got the box and whiskers motto here, okay, box and whisker plot. We connect our box to our minimum value and our maximum value. So B is our final answer of what our box and whisker plot would be for this problem.